I've got my brand new Crosman R1 with me. I purchased this one so I could test the gas pistons that I've got here. I thought that would be the best way to accurately test to make sure that I'm getting some performance from them and reliability. So I'll be testing out the R1 and shooting into some Firebird targets. And I've got my chrono with me today, so we'll be using this to see what kind of results we get. It's about 10 degrees right now. It's not very warm, so my CO2 is going to be a little cool. If the sun would come out, it would be much better. As long as everything is consistent, I'm happy with it. Okay, so I'm going to do this test using my stock R1, stock gas piston, stock hammer, and the stock magazine. I thought I'd do 7 shots just to get a base, and then I'm going to switch up to the second piston and then the third piston. The third piston being maximum performance. So let's see what happens. Here we go. Now we're going to do 7 shots using our CNC gas piston. Hopefully we get a performance increase. Our last number here after our 7th shot is 377. So if it does better, sweet. Try one more. See what's happening? The BBs aren't going through because the magazine's sticking. Brand new R1, and I've already got issues. I already had the misfire issue, and now I've got BBs that aren't going through. But if we look here, our numbers are actually over 400 and haven't come down. So let's see what happens again. 404. So we're over 400 FPS. Let's go and switch out to our last custom CNC part. This is the maximum performance gas piston. We're going to see if we get anything from it. Let's see how it does. Okay, that's actually pretty good. Let's quickly switch back to the stock one. Let's see if we go down in FPS. See? Sticking again. Stupid thing. Okay, so it has come down. Let's go and switch back to the other one. Look at that, it's pretty consistent with this gas piston. Let's go put the other gas piston in that's maximum performance and see if it does any better than 413. Okay, so we're still using this stock magazine, same CO2, we haven't swapped out the CO2 yet, and it's actually doing quite well. So I've got our maximum performance CNC part in here. Let's see if it makes a difference. 431. I think that was a blank there. Yep, still having an issue. I'll fix that after. We can see that this gas piston is making a difference way better than stock, and we're getting good results. I'm pretty happy with it so far. So I'm gonna leave this stage 3 gas piston, I guess I'll call it. This is the maximum performance one. I'm gonna keep this in here for a little bit and do some full auto tests with it, but let's see how it does still. It's way more consistent with this part. I like it. So far, so good. Let's do some full auto. Oh, I love that button. With that gas piston, you could totally feel it. The blowback is way more intense with this CNC part. Loving it. Okay, no issues so far. You can just feel that in your teeth. Cool. All right, that was kind of cool actually. So we just dumped 2 magazines full of CO2. The blowback's working on this. We're having no issues. It is working. Stock R1. Let's now go put some fresh CO2 and start shooting at some targets. I knock it down. Really? Pretty happy with the results in my stock R1, other than the factory issues such as the guide here not feeding my BBs up, the misfire issue that I had earlier, but it seems to have resolved itself. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.